observes that there must be unity of mankind, because that's the only way we will survive physically, biologically. Not divisions. The Europeans, the Americans, the Russians, the Hindus and so on, not divisions, the complete, total unity of mankind. Politics and politicians are not going to solve that problem, ever. On the contrary, they will maintain the division. It's very profitable. So, as that is an important and essential necessity of existence, that there must be unity of all mankind, and that cannot be brought about through legislation, through bureaucratic dogmas or rules and all the rest of it. So when you observe all this as a human being living in chaos, in a world that is almost gone mad, the armaments, the selling of them for profit, killing people in the name of ideas and countries, for God and all the rest of it. Observing, seeing all this all over the world, what is a human being to do and what for? So I think it becomes very important to find out, to discover for oneself, if one is at all serious, and one must be serious in life, otherwise one does not really live at all. It's only the very, very serious man, which doesn't mean he has no laughter, no smile, but that seriousness which demands a total commitment to the whole issue of life. And religions have tried to offer the meaning to life that is organized, propagandistic, ritualistic religion. But in spite of 2,000 years or 10,000 years as in Asia, man has merely asserted certain principles, certain ideals, certain conclusions, but they're all verbal, superficial, non-realistic. So we are faced then, when we look at all this, and realizing that our brain is almost mechanical, caught in a groove, caught in a habit, caught in tradition, in the conditioning which education has given, cultivating only knowledge, information, and so making the brain more and more and more mechanistic. One inevitably demands or asks, if one is again serious, what does life mean? What is it all about?